Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried running a command with sudo on Debian and got the error, user is not in the Sudoers file, don't worry, you're not alone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a user to the Sudoers file so they can run admin commands. Let's fix this in just a few steps. So if you're seeing this message when trying to use sudo with a user, it means that user doesn't have handy admin privileges. First, you need root access. If you're locked out of sudo, you'll have to log in as the root user. Next, open the Sudoers file with vsudo. Just copy the root user privileges to another line, then change the root username to your username, which does not have sudo privileges. After you are done, save and exit the file by pressing Ctrl X, then Y, then Enter. You can open the file again to verify if the changes were saved. This gives the user full sudo privileges. Let us try running the sudo apt update command again. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the user not in Sudoers file error on Debian. If this helped, smash the like button and subscribe for more Linux tutorials. See you in the next video.